So, anyways, the recipes that we have today is not only for the rainy season, but for all occasions. But these are the recipes which you can find in your kitchen, usually in a cupboard or in your storage area. And of course, you just don't want to eat the same thing when you're stuck in the rain. You want something a little bit playful, a little bit creative, and something that will whet your appetite. So with simple ingredients, you don't need expensive, complicated ingredients. With simple ingredients, you can make wonderful dishes. And with a great appliance like Samsung Smart Oven, you will create many beautiful recipes. And it's so easy, it's so fast, and I tell you, you should get one Samsung Smart Oven. It's really the most practical digital appliance out there in the market. So, are you ready? Yes, okay. So, if everyone can just get their recipes, which is in their stations, and then after getting your recipe, please come forward and I will start my demonstration. Thank you very much.